This
Okay.
conference will now be recorded.
So yesterday we are discussing about the same product master, release product, and item master. So in this we understood like product or product master can be created. These are at enterprise level. Once it is released to here and it is available, these two are available here at company level. This is company specific. That means it will not be available in all legal entities. To which legal entities you have released, for that legal entities only it will be shown. But still you cannot use the same immediately in the system. The reason behind it is like if it is all mandatory fields like storage dimension group, tracking dimension group, product dimension group, item model group, purchase unit, inventory unit, sales unit, all these mandatory fields, once it is mapped, then it will become item master. Then you can use this item master in the transactions. Okay, this we understood yesterday. Now suppose I am creating a release product, what happens? This is the question yesterday. Okay, so let me show this one and then we'll proceed. So after that we'll discuss about the yesterday some doubts. After completing this one, yesterday we have 3-4 questions here. We'll discuss these points. Okay. First, let me show. Just give me 1 second. Okay. So now what I will do, let me show. We'll try to verify one item. Suppose released products. I'm verifying whether table is an item. Suppose whether table is available in this USMF or not. Okay, I'm trying for table. It is not available in the release products. It is not available in the release products. I will go to all products and product masters. I'm trying to verify whether table is available or not in the all products and product masters both. It is not available. I'm going to another company, DEMF. Okay, in this company I'm trying to verify table. It is not available. So in products and product masters, anyhow, if it is not available in one company, it will not be available in all companies because it is enterprise level data. Now if I am going to release a product, definitely it will not be there. Let me show. in this release product, I'm trying for table. It is not available. Okay, what I will do, I will create product information management, release products. So I'm trying to, I will create one item called table in USMF company. This is, I'm creating in release products. So I'm creating release products. I'm creating table. So item model group, I'm mapping at a time. Later also we can map. Suppose I can create, click OK, and I can map later also. So suppose if I created, suppose take the example, I'm not mapping like whatever it is required, I have created. This is release product. So this is created in USMF company. In USMF company, I have created released product. Okay, you can see here. Now, if I go to release products in DMF, suppose I'm removing, this is in release products. Now, if I verify, this table is not available. Verify, it will not be available. Now, I'm trying to create the same table here. It is throwing error message. The number has already been assigned to a product. Specify a new number. It is not allowing. OK button is disabled. That means what happens? What happens? In this USMF company, whenever I have created this table, in the back end, it is creating product. It is creating product at enterprise level data. So now if I go to all products and product masters, if you verify, it will be available like this one. So in products and product masters it is available. Then if I go to DEMF company, if I go to all products and product masters, it is available. Look at this one. So all products, product masters, it is available because it was created. So what happens means, if you create in this company specific, it will create automatically in the back end one product or product master. Understood? Now I want this table in DMF company. Then you need to select this item and you need to release products, because this is created in USMF. If you want to use the same item in another legal entity, then you need to release this one like this. Then it will be available in DMF company also as release products. So in this, if you verify now, it will be available. Still, it is available, but it was not fulfilled all the mandatory fields. That is the reason if I am clicking here, it will warn you like the specific item group, item model group, storage dimension group, tracking dimension group has not mentioned. You need to mention these 4 fields. Understood? Then you can use in the transactions. So now, is it clear? Yesterday's question here, what happens?
Yeah, so I just want to know, like in uh, USMF also will get this message that you have to add this dimension group. What it
Yes.
was showing in other company.
Yeah.
The in
So
DMF it is showing this message. Similar
hmm,
message will get in USMF also.
yeah, exactly. Because while creating, I have not mapped. That is, like whatever it is mandatory fields, I have not mapped. Whenever I'm creating, at that time I have not mapped. Then it will throw error message, the warning message, same warning message.
When it will show, like you have to validate or what?
So you have to click on validate always.
Product validate. Okay, then it will show.
Mm. So you
Yeah.
cannot use until and unless cannot use this one if it is mapped. Once it is mapped,
Okay.
then only you can use it.
Yeah, but my query was like yesterday you told that if the like item master, if the item become item master means with all dimension, then only we'll use in sales order and purchase order.
Yes. Yes.
But last week what my query was, release order also we were using in sales order or purchase order, right? That
So
first item. If you can, yeah.
hmm. So here,
Okay.
while releasing
So that
product,
was my query. Like release order is also we are using. So if it is not item master, still we are using. That's what.
no, here release the product,
Yeah.
here release product. While creating, if you map all the fields, then you can use it.
But if you'll not map, like, can you just show me that one item that we are using in sales order and purchase order? First item is there no?
Item
In
1000.
release. That we are using every time. So just I want to. Can you show like how it will be like
Yeah,
whether it
sure.
is because that item only we are using in sales order purchase order. So what
So
is the
you are
configuration of that item?
so
Yeah.
for this 1000 item you are talking.
Yeah,
If you
yeah, yeah.
click on
What is the
it,
configuration?
yeah, it will show all the fields are.
Also, okay. Can you show the fields like where exactly this fields for this?
Okay. So as I told you, like main 8 fields. One second, it is opening. So one is storage dimension group, tracking
Okay,
dimension group. These two, item
okay,
model group, and
okay.
item group is in manage costs. In manage costs, it will be the item group.
So everything is there means we have already mapped everything.
Yes, and inventory unit, purchase unit, sales unit. Purchase unit is there in the purchase tab. Okay, so you can
Okay,
minimize if it is confusing. You can minimize like this. So in purchase tab, you will find purchase
okay,
unit. At the
okay.
same
So
time,
means
yeah.
everything
Mm.
is mapped.
Yes, exactly.
So,
Yes.
so Mike, okay, okay.
Mm,
Then I was having doubt. Like I thought it is not mapped. So one
mm.
more query now I am having, like what is the need of releasing or released or like product? We can directly use item master, right? What is in
So the,
between we want to
yeah,
release product? Yeah.
actually, see, uh, this items like whatever it is there, whenever you are creating a product or product master, at that time these are not mandatory. Why it is designed like this, I will give you clarification now. So I will give you this clarification after 15 minutes. Okay,
Okay, okay,
so
fine,
why
fine.
this structure is available, okay, why structure is
Okay,
this available, we'll discuss.
okay, okay.
Before that, now this is the first question. Release product created, what about, yeah, this first question I have given clarification. Still you are asking something, we'll discuss.
Okay, okay,
So
fine.
what is the procedure like, whether we need to import the product and product master or release product? Right? This is the one more question query. Now, suppose I have only one company. I have only one company. I don't have branch like another companies. I have only standalone company. I'm running business. I have only one company. In that case, I can directly import all the details in released product with item group, item model group, storage dimension group, tracking dimension group, all the fields with all the fields. I can import directly in the released product as item master. I can release directly in the, I mean to say, I will map item group, item model group, storage dimension group, tracking dimension group, purchase unit, inventory unit, everything, and directly I can import here. In the release product, if I map, if I import, and if all the mandatory fields are there, then it will become item master. That means I will do directly in one shot. Okay. If suppose I have 5 legal entities, I have 5 legal entities. In these 5 legal entities, suppose take the example 1, 2, 3, like these items are there. Let me try item 1, item 2, where it will give continuous number, or item 1, item 2, it will. Okay, fine. Suppose like this. So any legal entity, definitely minimum to minimum 500 items will be there. If it is a software, if it is a manufacturing company kind of thing, it may be maybe thousands also. Now I have 5 companies. Okay, this one is, suppose the same example, USMF, DEMF, INMF, RUMF, and BRMF. So I want this should be yes, yes, but this is no, no, yes, no, yes, yes, no, yes. Like this I have. Means I want this item number should be available in USMF, DEMF, INMF, and BRMF. This item should be available in USMF and RUMF. Like this you want. Like this there are items you are going to use it or not. So if it is like this combination, what I will do, I will first import all in product and product masters. I will import all in product and product masters, and I will release the specific items for USMF to this USMF company first. Then I will map whatever it is required. Then I will release this all items, like whatever the items relevant to DEMF, I will release, and I will map item group, item model group, storage dimension group, tracking dimension group, product dimension group if it is required. So here, what I'm doing now, I'm importing product and product master first, and then I will release to legal entities wherever it is required, because this item, it is not required in DEMF and INMF and BRMF. So I will release this one item to these 2 legal entities only, and this item I will release to this 4 legal entities, and I will not release to this account, this REMF. So the same item will be available in all legal entities. You can use these items. Understood? That is the reason now we are defining this like this. So if you have only one, you can directly import in release product with all the mandatory fields, whatever it is there. if you have multiple legal entities like this, and if you want to release some items to some companies, some items are for some other company, if you want specific, then it is better to import all in product and product master, and then you can release and you can map it. So what is the purpose of this one is, suppose intercompany stock transfer. I have not explained. In future you are going to learn that intercompany stock transfer. In that you will use a lot intercompany stock transfer. In this intercompany stock transfer, if you are transferring from one legal entity to another legal entity, the same item should be exist in both legal entities. That is the reason it was designed like this. Enterprise level data. Okay, so this item here, this item, suppose item 1, item group I have mapped like here in this item group is mobiles in USMF company. In DEMF company, I have mapped this one is electronic items. Item group is different. So in like this in USMF company, I will map mobiles. In DEMF, I will map electronics as item group. Yes, we can map it. Item group can be changed. For the same item, in one legal entity it may be different, in another legal entity it may be different. In INMF, suppose I will map smart mobiles. This is different group. So item groups may be different for different items, but item is same. So that is the design. That is the reason it was this is designed in such a way like this. This product and product master will be available in all legal entities. You can release to multiple entities. So the main advantage is intercompany stock transfer is more advantage. And one more thing, like minimizing the data. Like if you are creating in all legal entities, means it is data is huge tables level, backend level, tables level. So to minimize that one, we are using it is enterprise level data. Reusability a lot. Reusability is a lot in the system.
Okay, yeah, I am having this that is like in implementation point of view, I just want to know like product and product master already we imported through like admin module, like system admin module or whatever option we already or already we imported. So now we will like you told, we will release that item one by one to release product,
No, it is
or
not like one by one. It is not like
through
one by one.
full
We can
importing.
release multiple. Like, see, I will show you that. Give me 1 second. I'm going to this release product. Like I have all products and product masters.
So you mean to say one shot we can release so many items together? Okay.
Yes. Whatever you want, you can select.
Okay.
Release.
Okay, like through this only we will import. We will not do through Excel or something else, right?
And you can select
Excel.
multiple entities also.
Okay, multiple company also. So this is the way. Through implementation time also we'll do like this only, right?
Yes, you have multiple legal entities. Definitely, if you have multiple legal entities, this is the best way. This is the best way.
Okay, means we will only import product and product master through Excel or whatever the other option, but releasing product we are using these option only, right?
Yes. Yes,
So
exactly.
we are releasing in release product or item master, because that both are same only, like it is the same
No,
thing
no.
only.
If you are releasing like this, it is
Yeah.
only release product only. Release product only, because you are not mapping item group, item model group. You cannot
Okay.
map. Once it is mapped, then it will become a item master. Am I right?
Okay, that you can map afterwards only, after releasing only.
Exactly.
Okay, so that is the reason release product is separate and item master is separate, because release product you will import and then you can do the configuration, right?
Yes, exactly. So
Because yeah,
many
yeah,
people may not explain the difference between release product and item master. Many people
yeah.
don't
Why?
know.
Yeah, why? Because if it is a release product and we have done all the dimension group configuration, then it is same like item master only, right? Both are same
Exactly.
then, right?
Exactly.
So in transaction we are using release product with all dimension, right?
Exactly.
All transaction. And
Yes.
item master, where we will use then? Item master,
No,
what is
no,
the usage?
no. It is like naming convention was changed because if you in the released product, if you map all the items, all the relevant mandatory fields, if you map it,
Okay,
then
okay.
it will become item master so that you can use
So
it. That's it.
so there is no different form for item master. Same like
No.
product information, pro management products and item master.
There
There is
is
no different form, right?
there is no different form, but while doing sales order or purchase order, it is not release product, it is item master. So the field name, if I go to procurement and sourcing, product purchase orders, so if you go to purchase orders, we are in EMF, no issues, any company. So here it is item number. The field name is given as item number. Just for understanding purpose, I'm giving like this, the way it was. This is both are same. This is release product only.
Okay.
Both are release product
Please
only.
click allow to play the video.
Okay, so there is no different
Hmm.
like form item master, like similar product.
Yeah, exactly. It is not different form. It is the same.
Like release product is item master. That is only the form with
Yes, exactly.
all. If you add all dimension. Okay, that is I was having confusion. I thought it is two separate forms.
No, it is same form, same form.
Okay.
I think
My
the
doubt
link
is
is
clear.
only the product number, I guess. So the release product has a product number, and then the product has a product number. That is the link, right? So that number, it decides that the release product is from product and the product is from release product, right?
Yes. Okay, fine. Now, so now it's clear for both of you, like the first 2 points. Am I right? These 2 points. So release product. What
It's
about this
clear.
product?
Yeah, it is clear.
Fine. This is clear. Now, raw material and finished goods. So whatever we are creating, it is all are raw materials only. Raw materials only, or finished goods also. This the difference between raw material and finished goods is you will understand in BOM, bill of material. I need to explain the topic, bill of material. So while creating bill of material like release product, sorry, BOM, you will understand about the exactly uh, so raw material or finished goods both are same. Only the difference is let me go to USMF. So for this, let me verify one item. Uh, suppose let me verify. Hmm. Let me take one item. That is available or not. Here it is not there. 069. Most probably this may be having. No. I need to explain BOM a lot. Okay, that at that time I will explain you detailed, but let me show the at least some information. I think it is M9200. Yes, it may be available. Just I would like to show that one, and then I will explain this BOM details later. Speaker cabinet.
So we are going to learn inventory management completely. Am I correct? Yes or no?
Sorry?
We are going to learn inventory management module completely.
No, not complete. Not complete, because like inventory management will have like production related also. So whatever it is related to T&L, you are going to learn related to T&L, but not here. See, suppose this is planning example. This is related to master planning. This is manage projects. It is project management and accounting module. Understood? So it does not like all, but whatever it is related to T&L, definitely I will speak, I will discuss, but not related to product information production control related topics also will be there. So that I'm not going to cover.
Okay.
Fine. So give me 1 second, because BOM is a part of T&L. It was given as a part of T&L. That is the reason I'm going to discuss about BOM. Okay. What happened? Let me verify, is it any other item? Otherwise, anyhow, I will create those items. I think it will be in M series only. There are many items. But why I'm not able to find here? We are in USMF only. Otherwise, we will go to D series. It may have some items. T002 something. No. So here D002. To manufacturing D002, I need M005, M006, and P002. These items. Okay, this is D002 is a finished goods. M005, M006, P002 is an item like raw material. Both are item master. I mean to say both are release products only. Both items should be having all mandatory fields. But we'll map this BOM versus like finished goods versus raw material. So these are raw materials M005 and M006 and P002. D002 is a finished goods. Okay, this is, you will understand BOM concept after some time. Okay, and here actually this is also not finished goods, sorry, raw material. It is here there will be structure also. So this structure and these things I will explain you later. Let me verify M005 is item or once again B1. Fine. This BYM discussion I will explain you later. Okay. This is finished goods and this is items, but all are available here. M005, M006, P002, everything is available here. It should be like validated for everything. Then only we can use it. Understood? So whether it is a raw material or finished goods, this anything, it should be a released product, and all mandatory fields should be mapped. Okay, fine. Next, jewelry items. Okay, jewelry items. I'm not expertise in that area, in that actually like in this domain, actually jewelry items, but I'm expecting this is majorly will be used in configuration. All items will be jewelry items. It is product master with configuration. Product master with the configuration. What it means in the system, as I told you, like in product dimension group, we have color, size, style and configuration. So this will be used because each and every item will have different behavior. Each and item will have differently, it will be there. So that information may be configured in the configuration using like this function, like whichever it was discussed here. Product information management, product configuration models. This is I am predicting. I may be sometimes I may be wrong. Until and unless if we worked with the domain, we cannot understand this one. But this is my assumption, because in the configuration, as I told you, like the best example, manufacturing of lift, manufacturing of escalators. These are manufacturing of home theater systems. These are company specific. I mean to say customer specific, it is manufacturing. The same thing as I'm predicting, the same for jewelry items also, because item to item it is different. I cannot create like rings as one item, bangles as an item. Bangles with some configuration, then only it can be mapped, and the serial number will be enabled, because serial number also it can be tracked through serial number or configuration. These two are options. So it may be serial number or it may be a configuration. So I'm not sure, I don't have real experience on jewelry items or domain knowledge. I worked for distribution and manufacturing companies majorly, but not jewelry items. That is the reason I'm not sure, but it may be a configuration or maybe a serial number identified. These are the two options. We need to verify by with sample data, then only we can conclude.
Okay. No, configuration only. The thing is that like I've seen only size, color and all, like something like 3 or 4 options. So you have product attributes as well. So how far
yes.
you are able to like you know, categorize and then divide and then like attributes and then telecom products as well, right? So what is it like limited to only some extent of configuration? Like can I I have different questions. Let's stick to one point, generally thing, okay? So can I extend that size, color, and then attributes, whatever way we want?
Sorry, come again. That what is your question?
So like system says size, color, and all, right? So those are system parameters. So can I include something like weather and then like something like size, height, and width, etc. Though in those areas.
Okay, so you want to rename this one, or what exactly you want? Suppose if you don't want this size and size group. Suppose if you want, you can rename, you can modify.
I want to introduce some other thing like size.
So you want some other means and extra fields?
Yeah, like say that's what,
Yeah,
right? So
that is a customization. Then it is a big customization. It is a big customization. It's not like small one. Definitely it is a customization. Yes, you can extend. You mean to say not only these 4 fields, I want to extend some more fields. Yes, it can be. It can be. But it is not a small customization, it is a big customization. But what Microsoft has provided here in this product dimension, like product dimension or product configuration models, in this we have inside a lot. Actually, like if you learn production, like production module, you will understand a lot. So here attributes also is there. I mean to say, whatever you are asking, this may be covered in attributes. What is that means? Here, if you go to attributes, before that attribute types, I will show you.
Did you cover attributes and attribute types? I am missing.
So I'm not going to cover in depth, but I will show you the same, whatever I'm going to show, like that I will show you, but I'm not going to cover because this will be a part of more about production. Okay, so here anyhow, just I will see here. You are talking about some weather, maybe Boolean, we can use it, integer.
Yeah, I mean,
This
already produced items also should be configured, I guess. I mean, like if you have a
sorry.
buy and sell, so you
For
are
that it is not required. For this is not required. It is majorly this will be attributes and attribute types, attribute groups. This can be used in product configuration models. In this configuration model, you are going to use these attributes with the formula and everything. Because I don't have any experience on this one at all. But I learned this one because of my interest, only like what it is, just I have studied. So there is combination like expressions also is available. Look at this one. Attribute type. So rather than customizing like a new field dimension, I will suggest you need to verify, cross verify. Attribute types can be used. Understood? Okay, fine. We are deviating to this is more about production module, and for that this is the initiative. Fine. Okay, so I hope now product and product master, these things we understood. Okay, today like the new topic we'll try to understand agreements, purchase agreements and sales agreements. Let us understand purchase agreements and trade agreements. Like there are two types of agreements. One is trade agreements, and another one is purchase agreements. Okay, so trade agreements is there is no commitment. It's a kind of brochure. Means suppose if you go to restaurant, they will give brochure. In that there are many items, maybe 50 items, maybe 100 items. You are going to select one. For that, sometimes they may give offer like some festival offer, some discounts, everything. So that is trade agreements. Here trade agreements is not specific to customer, neither you have committed nor that company has committed some agreements. This is trade agreements is generalized pricing and generalized discounts. That means suppose if you are purchasing, like if you want to purchase clothes, festival offer like Dasra festival offer or a New Year festival offer or Diwali festival offer or Christmas offer or something offers will be there. So this is trade agreement C is generalized for all. Even if you want, you can specifically map for a specific customers or vendors. Whereas purchase agreement C is this is agreement between you and your vendor. You and your vendor. What is this means? Suppose one vendor is like I will explain taking sales agreements so that you can understand easily for your purpose. Vice versa for purchase agreements also. Sales agreements. What is the sales agreements means? Suppose take the example, one customer is like you are running business in Hyderabad. You are running business in Hyderabad. One customer is in Suryapet. I'm taking like a small city and big city. Hyderabad is big city and small city Suryapet. Okay, there some people like one customer is there. That customer coming to Hyderabad and he is purchasing 20 washing machines in a 15 days. Every 15 days he is purchasing 20 washing machines and he is selling in their small city washing machines. Okay, now in a year he, like if I verify, it is total almost 600 he is purchasing in a month. Sorry, in a year he is purchasing 600. Then I will offer like total year try to purchase 100 items, sorry 800 items. So in a year he is purchasing total 600, like roughly it is maybe one time 15, one time 20, one time 25, one time 15, depending on the situations he is purchasing. So total in a, I have verified it is 615 quantity he purchased. Now I am giving like purchase from me this year 800. Every time I am offering, like this is washing machine is 20,000. I'm offering like 19,000 only. Otherwise 20,000 plus 1,000 discount. Discount means minus. That means I'm offering you at the rate of 19,000 only. Then he will try to purchase as much as possible from me, because so any customers he will try to purchase from two different vendors. He is coming to me and he is going to my competitor also. Sometimes he is purchasing there, sometimes he is purchasing from me. So now I'm just giving offer like best price 19,000 only, so that for this 800 items, after 800 I'm not going to give 19,000, it is 20,000 only. Only for this. Understood? So some specific quantity, some date, like some period, for that I'm giving offer price. This is offer price. So this is a mutual agreement between you and your customer. Between you and your customer, you are agreeing, mutually agreeing I will purchase, like customer is agreeing, like he will purchase. Otherwise, vendor purchase agreements. It is exactly opposite. I'm purchasing items from one of the vendor. Okay, the same opposite. Now, so it is at the rate of 15,000. The washing machine is 15,000 rupees. Sometimes I'm going to competitor, another competitor vendor. Here, sometimes he is giving another vendor at the rate of 14,500. So I'm purchasing from vendor A and I'm purchasing from vendor C. Sometimes from this vendor, sometimes another vendor. Now I'm approaching vendor. Like in a year, I'm purchasing 650 or 700 something. So I'm asking like vendor, like offer me 14K. I'm approaching the vendor, give me 14K. Then he is asking like, if you are committing like 1,000, you are planning to purchase in this year total 1,000 washing machines, then I will offer you at the rate of 14K. You are discussing with your vendor. So you are actually vendor is telling like it is 15,000, but you are asking like 14,000. But you are giving commitment like in the entire year, I will purchase 1,000 items. I will purchase 1,000 items. Then he is giving commitment like 14K, and this is for 1,000 items. That kind of agreement can be created in the system, that is sales agreements and purchase agreements. Sales agreements and purchase agreements. Okay, so let me show in the system. It may not be completed, like only let me show. Tomorrow we'll continue about that in detail. So where it is available means it is in canceling. Procurement and sourcing module. Here in this purchase orders, downside is available. So purchase agreements. So this is little bit different form. This is purchase agreements. Okay, in this I can create a purchase agreement against a vendor. This is an agreement between me and my vendor. So we need to select purchase agreement classification. This is only reporting purpose. Inside there is intelligence is there. Here product quantity commitment, product value commitment, product category value commitment, and value commitment. This we'll discuss later. There is a lot of intelligence. This is a simple master purchase agreement classification. This is only reporting purpose, but intelligence is there here in this. Okay, we'll discuss this one in detail tomorrow. So I'm selecting product quantity commitment. Click OK. We'll create, suppose, item D001. I will select item D001. Suppose take the example 1000 items, and at the rate of unit price 1500, because it is dollars, it is high, and discount it is percentage. I will give 1% discount, or I will give 5% discount, something. Okay, here expiration date means this offer is up to which date? This is for up to December 31st. I can create. So for this vendor 1002, for vendor 1002, if item is purchasing this D001 item, then it will be, the price is 1500 plus 5% discount. Okay, now if you look at this one, while creating, it is on hold. It will be always on hold only. You need to go to header level and need to change to on hold to effective. Means once it is effective only, you can release this one. Okay, so now go back. This is the item. It is now effective. Now release order. So if you want, you can do confirmation also. Normally, like you can do confirmation for recording purpose. So it will be stored here permanently, like what was the price and everything. Okay, it was recorded. It will be in the history. Suppose anyone has changed some price here, then it will be noted down inside. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, so now it was already available. Now I'm doing release order. So here agreement between me and vendor is 1000. I will not purchase all 1000 today itself. I will not purchase all this 1000 today itself. It will be like 5 items one time, 10 items one time, because washing machines means it is a space consuming a lot. So I would like to do this release, this one. I would like to collect, like give purchase orders sometimes, like periodically. That I will show you in detail tomorrow. I will cover tomorrow. Now it is already time up. So here fulfillment, will discuss these details. One of the important point. Okay, so I will discuss this point tomorrow about fulfillment. So I'm stopping here. So purchase agreement, sales agreements we are discussing. We have started. We'll continue tomorrow morning, 6 a.m. IST. Okay. Any more doubts or any more clarifications, anyone?
So sales agreements, purchase agreements are like which area, like sales order and purchase order area?
Yes. So in that area only, it is from this one it will be created.
So
From
it's
this
procurement sourcing basically, right?
Yes.
Procurement
So
sales.
yeah, procurement sourcing only. It will be like, if you click, and it will be released to purchase order. So I will show you tomorrow. It will be a part of procurement process.
Yeah. Okay.
So we'll connect once again tomorrow morning, 6 a.m. IST. See you all. Bye.